Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Jackbox TV. First, ensure you have two types of devices ready: a main screen for the game, like a TV or computer, and individual player devices, such as smartphones or tablets. Make sure all these devices are connected to the same internet network. Then, open a web browser on your main screen device and navigate to the Jackbox TV website. Once your devices are ready, launch any Jackbox game from your preferred platform, whether it's a console, PC, or streaming service. After the game starts, a unique 4-letter room code will appear prominently on your main screen. This code is essential for players to join, so ensure everyone can clearly see it throughout your gaming session. Now each player should grab their personal device, like a phone or tablet, and open a web browser. They need to go to Jackbox TV and enter the 4-letter room code displayed on your main screen. After inputting the code, they will be prompted to enter a name. Once their name is set, they can join the game. Most games support up to 8 players. With everyone connected, the fun begins. Your player devices will now display all the game prompts, questions, and options you need to interact with. The main screen will show the overall game progress, results, and animations. Simply follow the on-screen instructions for each round and enjoy the highly interactive and entertaining party game experience with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.